Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly remove a URL from Google Search using Google Search Console. By the way, if you're a blogger or you simply have a website, you should check out URL Monitor. It's the best tool for monitoring your URLs in real time. It will help you index your pages faster and also boost search performance for your website so more people can discover your content. The link to URL Monitor is given in the description below. So let's get started. If you're looking for a quicker way to remove a URL, there's an efficient method using Google Search Console. Here's how it works. First, log into the Google Search Console account that has the website with the page you want to remove. On the left-hand side, under the indexing section, click on Removals. This is where you can request the removal of a specific page. Click on New Request, then enter the URL of the page you want to remove from Google Search. Keep in mind that this is a temporary removal. You're asking Google to block the URL, and you can remove more than one if needed. This action will also clear the current snippet and cached version of the page. You can choose to remove only this URL or all URLs with a specific prefix. Next, confirm that you want to remove the URL from Google's search index. This removal lasts for about 6 months. Once you're satisfied, click Submit Request. Remember, you can cancel this request at any time. That's it. Google will now remove the URL from its search index. By the way, don't forget that you can monitor your URLs in real time, ensure safe indexing, and boost search performance with URL Monitor. I encourage you to check the link in the description below for more details.